What's going on, everybody? It's me again with another unboxing. This time we'll be unboxing the Garmin Forerunner 35. This is the front of the box. As you can tell, it does state it's a GPS running watch with wrist-based heart rate. And in the very center of the front, you can see that it has the Garmin watch. Now moving to the right medial side, you have the side profile of how the watch should look like. And moving towards the back, it tells you what the package contains, where it's made, some warnings, and shows that it's Bluetooth capable, among other things. Now moving over to the left medial side, it shows battery life in watch mode as well as GPS mode, the water rating, and other capabilities the watch has to offer. Now moving on to the bottom, you have a barcode, same with the top. Now that I've shown you all the sides of the box, let's go ahead and unbox this. Surprisingly, there is no seal or plastic wrap surrounding this. You just go ahead and pop the top like that. Now you're going to grab this cardboard tray that's inside, lay it on its side so that nothing falls out, nothing gets damaged. Let me go ahead and close this box. Now, here we have the watch. It does kind of have like a labeled sticker that we will need to pull off, and that's a cardboard tray. If I lift this flap open, it'll reveal what's inside. You got your Garmin Forerunner 35 manual with all the basic instructions on how to get started. This, I believe, is the proprietary charging cable. And finally, but not least, we have the watch itself. Let's go ahead and see if I can unclip this, roll out the straps, and just by feeling it, I know this is going to be comfortable to wear. The bands are actually really soft. It's kind of like a gummy feeling. Cool. Alrighty, there we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and peel off that tab in a second. I'm just going to show you the sides as well as the back of the watch. It's the heart rate monitor right there. And that's the other side of the watch. Start and stop. A more detailed look of the bands. And I'm coming to notice there's actually a lot of pulls. To adjust properly. I'm gonna go ahead and set that down, and I'm actually showing you this Casio, which is 38 millimeters in size in comparison to the Garmin Forerunner 35, just so that you guys see. The Casio is probably one of the smallest watches out there. I have a small wrist, so just use this as a comparison. The Garmin Forerunner 35 should look fine on me. I know some people some people say that it's a little too small, but as I just stated, I have small wrists, so I have no issue with the watch. And there we go. I just pulled off the tab. It's kind of a gray screen. Kind of gives me one of those like old Game Boy vibe type screens. See if I can power this on, and yep, I feel like this happens in most of my unboxing videos. It doesn't look like it's turning on, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and charge this a little later, but now that I have it so close to my wrist, might as well strap it on and see how it looks and feels. And yep, just like I said earlier, that band is incredibly soft and comfortable. I just hope removing it, considering how stretchy it is not that difficult, just because putting it on kind of was. And there we go. That's the Garmin Forerunner 35. Show you how thin it looks from the side. And thanks for watching, guys. Take care.